Hey guys, I have Rod here with this beautiful HT Monaro. You want to tell us a little about it?
I bought it around about 5 years ago, just a rolling shell basically, with a trailer load of parts, but it had a full matching numbers motor, everything with it, and I had the thing painted locally in town here in Mackay, platinum metallic it's called, and it was painted by Fleet Image in Mackay, in North Mackay. Jimmy Stone, he painted it for me.
So is this the original colour for the tags?
The original colour for the tags. So
yep, and then I was talking to you before about the red parchment interior as well.
Yeah,
that's also matching.
Moroccan Red is the correct interior for this car.
Yep. And
we opted to keep the original engine in there. Not that it looks original, but it is. It's the original little 307. It's got a Scat stroker crank, set of dart alloy heads, roller rockers, pretty decent cam in it, and it's got a Holley Sniper fuel injection system on it.
What gearbox are you running?
It's running a Tremec 5-speed.
Oh yeah.
And it's got air conditioning. It's got electric power steering.
Yep.
So it's actually quite...
so a nice cruiser.
It's quite easy to drive, and it actually returns about 11 litres to the 100 on the highway. So it's actually quite economical.
Yep.
As well as relatively go-y.
Yep.
Without being too silly.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
Yep. GDS dash, yep. Had everything's sort of original inside, as original as we could keep it.
Yep.
I had the final assembly done on the Gold Coast.
Yep.
By Jeff Luck at Gold Coast Restorations.
Oh, yep.
And he had the car for around about a year. And fitted a 9-inch, a few other little mods to it. The bigger exhaust and trimmed out the back of it. All the back's been trimmed out nicely.
Yep, cool.
Original fuel tank. It's only the smaller one. I wish I had the big one, but they're rare. So it's just got the original 16-gallon.
Yep.
And but yeah, like I said, it doesn't need a big tank. You know, relatively economical. So yeah, drove it back from the Gold Coast and returned pretty good economy. And
so you're a local Mackay guy?
Yep.
Probably a nice drive from the Goldie.
It was, yeah, it was lovely. Yep. It drove really nice. And but yeah, built it to drive it. I didn't build it just to park it.
Yep, that's good.
Yeah, it gets driven. So yeah, I was very happy with it.
Anyone in particular you want to give shout outs to?
Yeah, Luke Hendry built the engine for me. Done a really good job. And Jim Stone, who done the paint, obviously, done a tremendous job. And Jeff Luck and the guys down at Gold Coast.
Yep, GC Restorations.
GC Restorations, very renowned business, and yeah, they've done a wonderful job.
Yep.
Very happy with it.
No, awesome. Okay, thanks for showing us the car, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Hi, I'm Rod, and this is my 1969 HT Monaro.